Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today it's Saturday, so we're gonna head out. But I wanna actually, this vlog is not just about a vlog, but it's gonna be a DIY makeover kind of thing on something that I purchased from IKEA. So hopefully I'll be able to show you guys Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the process of me revamping this whole drawer. This is the IKEA Rast 3-drawer chest, and it came in like a pine color. So it's just the brown shade. What I want to do is I want to revamp it. I want to repaint it, and I'm going to style this part of our room, which I'm going to show you right now. I want to revamp this side of our room. So currently this is an IKEA rack thing. So I think that drawer chest might fit this area. So I wanna totally DIY that drawer chest. So today we are heading over to Plaza Singapura because there's Spotlight and there's Art Friend. And I think at Center Point there's a self-fix also. So hopefully I can get some material there and I can oh bless you. Yeah, yes, as I was saying, hopefully we can get some material from there and we can start on our DIY project. So let's go. Even if the ND filter is not helping, this is how hot it is. Okay, we are out from Plaza Singapura and now we are heading to Center Point because we want to get some paint. It is so hot today. Yeah, it's really hot. But anyway, yeah, we're going to Center Point now and hopefully we can get some paint for our project. Really overwhelmed with color. Hey guys, it is Sunday and today is the day I'm going to be starting on my project. So just now I showed you guys a little bit of that tank driving past my road area situation. But yes, we are going to start on the project right now. Wondering what Karen is doing.
I'm very helpful, by the way. I'm being supportive. I support her from this elevation. And hey,
Okay, let's start.
You can play from here, right? Okay.
No, anything what?
Yeah.
I am not going to do the top drawer, so Karun is actually going to help me put some screws so that we can have this, which is the front part of the top shelf, as a shelf. So it's going to be like a shelf drawer, something like this. Yeah, something like this, right? And I know that there's like a hole here, but I don't mind it because there's nothing that I want to cover up lah here, so it's okay. So yeah, this is the Rast cabinet. It was $89, and the key thing is that this is the untreated wood so that we can paint over it. Done building the drawer chest, and Karun has already prepared the shelf as well. So now we're gonna start painting. I got some painting supplies yesterday as well, so I got this little paint tray. All of the videos that I watch actually recommend to use a foam roller instead of the other roller. Yeah. And I also got, of course, the paint. I got paint brushes from IKEA. And this is the paint that I went with. I just got 1 liter of the Nippon Paint Odorless Easy Wash paint. Sorry, I didn't on my product showcase. And the color that I got is in Sugar Creamer. So I'll show you guys how the color looks like later. So it's like a nice creamy peachy-ish color. Okay guys, so I'm just mixing just mixing the paint. Let me show you the color. This is the color. On camera it looks like white, but in real life it looks like a light peachy shade. Oh my god, Han, you know what? Han, you know what I realized? I looked at the color palette yesterday at the paint shop, right, with these specs.
Oh.
So like, but it's okay lah. I mean, yours is not tinted, what? Okay guys, when buying paint, make sure you don't wear your blue light filter glasses, because then you might not get an accurate representation, but it's okay. I still like the color. Yep, so I got this shade. It's called Sugar Creamer. Now let's start. Alright, so this is what we have right now. I painted everything 2 times, so I painted 2 coats, and I also painted the knobs. I painted it this like rose gold kind of color, and I'm gonna start building it, and hopefully it turns out okay, and then we can style the area of the room that I shared with you guys earlier in this video. Hey guys, it is the day after and I actually just got back from lunch with my girlfriends and I am ready to, well, whatever we've been working on yesterday is done and it's time for us to style the area. So this is what it looks like. So I painted the knobs and everything, so it's like this really nice peachy, light peachy shade. And yeah, so now let's change everything and let's see how it looks like. Alright guys, so finally we are done with this DIY. I know that that shelf is empty and it's kind of weird, but then it's because we don't have a plank of wood to cover the whole surface. So most probably we can just head off to where is that? To Art Friend and perhaps get a size that's similar. The problem is that in Singapore you don't, it's not like in the US where you have Home Depot and you can like have a wood cutter or wood plank cutter. So hopefully, I don't know how we're gonna find a wood plank that is of that exact size, but for now we just use the front part of the drawer that's the front part of what is supposed to be the first drawer as the base for the shelf. So this was the gap that I mentioned to you guys about, but it works. Like Karun actually helped me fix up these things so that we can let this hover on top of the drawer. But like I said, the only thing is that there's a gap here lah. So yeah, but I really like, I'm so happy. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. It's an upgrade to the previous one.
Right? Because last time we had a shelf and now it's like, I'm just happy because it's like a random DIY project that I decided to start doing. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm glad we went with the like wall paint to paint it, and I really like how the knobs match the color. Karun helped me choose the color of the knobs. So yeah, everything is like out of sight-ish. Because last time everything was just outside. Now like I can place things inside instead of have it like on the shelf. So yeah. Alright, so that's the end of our DIY vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the process. I really had a lot of fun doing it, and thank you, Han, for helping me with some of the hardware
Almost
stuff.
poke my nose up.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Poke my nostrils up. Then
Sorry,
come up from
sorry.
my eye.
Come here to me. Thank you guys. We hope that you found this helpful, and do let me know if you will try to DIY anything.
To the
from
next
IKEA.
DIY project.
Woohoo! Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.